Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen, JJ Sambal Tumis. Okay guys, today I'm going to do a special dish, stir-fried coriander chicken. One whole chicken cut into small pieces. It's up to you how many pieces you are going to cut. Maybe like 12 or 24, up to you. If you want small pieces, you can. If you want big, like normal pieces or big pieces also, you still can, but you have to cook more longer. So now we are going to cut the chicken into pieces, and continuously we are going to cook the stir-fried coriander chicken. Okay, cut into small pieces. I'll cut it into small pieces. Once done, we are going to look at the ingredients. Onion, 2 to 3 pieces according to the size, as well as lemongrass also. Curry leaf, chopped coriander leaf. 1 or 2 tomatoes, garlic paste, ginger paste, poppy seed powder, clove, cinnamon, star anise, cardamom, peppercorn, green chili, cumin seed, fennel seed, chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, fennel powder, coriander powder, and some salt to taste. Okay, now we are going to cook. Add some oil. Add cumin seed and fennel seed. Add the spices. Now you can add the chopped onions. Stir till the onion change to golden brown color, so that you can get the nice aroma. Add ginger garlic paste, then stir for 1 minute. It's the same method, so you can get the nice aroma when you stir for 1 minute, so that it can cook well. Stir well. Then continuously you can add the green chili and tomatoes. Stir for a few seconds as per usual. Okay, now you can add the chicken pieces. Mix well. Mix well. Do not add water. Okay, once done, we close for a second and we steam the chicken, but make sure stir time to time so that it won't stick on the pan or on the wok. So basically the chicken, they have the juiciness and the water inside, so no need to add water or anything because we are going to stir fry the chicken. Okay, once done, open, stir a bit, and next add the peppercorn, add the chili powder, turmeric powder, continuously add the fennel powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, and poppy seed powder, and mix well so that the herbs spread all over the chickens. If you want, you can add a bit of water, but I didn't add. I really need it stir fried. Add some salt, mix well again, and one more thing guys, this is one of my favorite dish. It's really super delicious, no spicy. So add the lemongrass and just close it for a while. Make sure you stir time to time so that it won't stick, because now you already add the spices and herbs, so easy to stick. So make sure you stir time to time. Okay guys, it's almost done. So final touch up, add curry leaves and chopped coriander leaf, mix a bit, that's it, it's done guys. And you can basically enjoy the meal with the rice. It's really super delicious and you must try. You can try in the small portion also can, it's up to you. So reduce the portions and you can try at home also. If less persons, you can make it half or quarter also can, or you want to make it double also can, it's up to you. So anyway guys, enjoy the meal and good luck. And I'm going to eat the stir-fried coriander chicken, my special dish. And what about you? Try at home. It's really yummy. And it's time to serve. Okay, I'm going to eat. Showtime, baby. Oops, it's a meal time, baby. Signing off from JJ. Bye guys.